buddy Adam here from 911 Studios, and we're here at CES 2026 covering the good folks at Redtiger. And you know, I love their dash cams, and you should definitely know, based on our previous videos, they're the brand that I use in my BMW and my Toyota on a daily basis. Now, we use the F17 Elite because of that beautiful 4K image. It's got the rear cam at 2.5K, the 1080p interior camera, and boy, it is beautiful. It's perfect for picking up license plates and knowing everything that's going on. Now, Amy, she uses the F17 Plus in her Toyota RAV4. That's a beautiful camera for her, and I love the fact that they connect straight to the app. I love the fact that they are automatically on when I turn the car on, and they have all the bells, whistles, and features that you could want. Folks, let's go ahead and check them out. We're gonna kick it off right now. Now, first and foremost, that Vision Panel 40 is a beautiful camera. I love the fact that we can direct the cameras, and we have that quad screen vision right now. We've got the front, the two kind of interior side cameras, and that rear camera as well. This is a 4-channel DVR with Starvis 2. I love that latest Starvis because it's perfect in low light scenarios. With the front and rear cameras, they've just done a great job here, and I love the fact that you can kind of adjust exactly where those cameras are pointing. And of course, the touchscreen is fantastic as well. So you get 360 protection. That's covering you all the way around. And you've got a 2.35-inch touchscreen to give you the exact image that you need. That's cool. GPS with voice recording controls, loop video recording, G-Shock sensor for those accidents, and of course, the parking mode. All right, folks, I love the fact that this supports a huge SD card as well. 128 gigabytes, that is impressive. Next up, I want to talk about the F77. Boy, I love this 2-channel DVR with Starvis, meaning that you got great imagery, even in low light conditions, 4K HDR front camera, and boy, if you're looking for something that gets crystal clear imagery, there is nothing better than a Redtiger camera. 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi is one of my favorites, so we can send those video files straight to my phone. And of course, GPS with voice recording controls, looped recording so you never run out of storage, night vision, and parking mode to keep you safe in those parking garage, and an easy to use touch screen that I love as well. Now folks, I'm not telling you every feature here, so make sure to check out my full video reviews on each, but this is the one that I have, the F17 Elite. It's 3-channel, that's pretty cool. It's got the Starvis 2, that is a great design there. It's a great setup there for night vision. HDR front camera at 4K, 2.5K indoor rear camera, and of course 24/7 ultra color interior cam, 360 safety protection, that big 3-inch screen, LCD display, the 5.8 gig again, so you get your information quickly straight to your phone, the GPS with voice recording, all the controls, the loop recording, night vision, parking mode, and 128 gig card. That makes me happy as well. And folks, I love the fact that these aren't a big draw on your battery. We're looking at the F17 Plus 4-channel DVR with Starvis 2. Again, that's great night vision. 1080p IR interior cabin camera. That's great for you Uber drivers and people that want a perfect image, even in low light. 3-inch touchscreen display, a very intuitive touchscreen that's easy to use. That fast Wi-Fi, again, the GPS voice recording and controls, the loop video, the G-Shock sensor, I love that, and parking mode with that big 128 gig card. And don't forget, we also have that 4G LTE battery for the F17 Plus DVR. It's got that Life PO4 lithium iron phosphate battery, 7,500 mAh. Of course, the full charge in 90 minutes. That is so fast. Ambient bed lighting, and it enables you to remotely monitor. It's a great emergency video notification device, and it has real-time location and tracking, and of course, that cloud storage that we all love as well. So folks, one of the bottom lines that I really want to stress is that you need to be driving with a dash cam. Somebody could slam on their brakes, claim that you hit them, and then sue you for everything you're worth. If you're driving in today's society, make sure you have a Redtiger dash cam. That park mode, the Starvis sensors, the fast Wi-Fi straight to your phone, big card support, loop recording, I'm talking everything you need. I truly appreciate this company. They're the brand that I trust with my personal cars, but more importantly, with my wife, Amy, to make sure she's protected as well. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick one up. You won't be disappointed. It's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. And don't forget that Redtiger is offering a special discount. You can find that in the description and in the comments below.